Ooh, girl, it is New Year's 2020.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope the lighting's good. I am here in Santa Barbara right now with my brother, and there's like a cute surfer guy right in front of me. I can't show you though. So I am out here just relaxing. It is basically the second day of this year. Oh my god, he's taking off his clothes. Even better. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. Girl, you think I was gonna be recording myself and keeping myself serious, seeing all those cute men? Honey, I literally had to stop and pause. So now I'm with child. After seeing all those men, now we're gonna have to go to the Murray show and figure shit out. That's how my 2020 is gonna start. No, I'm just playing. Okay, so right now I'm doing my makeup actually because I gotta go out tonight. I was trying to record this video over there being serious, but that was not gonna happen. I got pretty distracted. So anyways, so yeah, so it's 2020 now, which is exciting. Definitely a lot of things I have planned for this year, but last year, 2019, it was wild because I drove across country. My brother came out here to LA to live for a bit, and then from there I turned 30. I'm old. I'm a bitch in her 30s. It was chill. My 30s was chill. I didn't party it up. I didn't do anything. I literally just was in Virginia with my mom and my family and stayed very low key. And honestly, I stayed home at my mom's house. I didn't do anything. I honestly just relaxed. But 2019 was, I won't lie, it was somewhat a fun year, but a hard year. A lot of things went down. A lot of my past came through, and the bitch is still single. I came to 2020 still single. The whole decade of like 2010 to 2020 now, like a whole decade, I've been single. Have I been having fun? Fuck yeah, girl. What? Ask Grindr about me, honey. She has had fun all this decade, but now that she's a woman of age, she needs to relax and take life a little more serious. You know, be a little conservative woman and stop messing around. Now I've been chilling, but 2020, I mean, again, no love life, but definitely had a lot of fun. Met a lot of more people last year, and then just in the past decade, I mean, in a decade, I honestly, you know, 10 years ago, I got off in a relationship. I, you know, been very independent. I moved to LA. Been here for almost 5 years now. It's just so much has happened. And then last year, it was great. Last year was fun. Oh, and the best part, just saying, I mean, it happened. I don't work for Sephora anymore. So that's over with. I am done with, so I'm trying to put my foundation on. Y'all probably like, what the fuck is she doing? I am putting on foundation. I like putting my foundation with hand. Even though my clients and everybody, I do foundation brush. But I like to do mine by hand because it just warms up the foundation and it just makes it more smoother. But this ain't no makeup tutorial, so I ain't going to be talking about my makeup. But, sorry, I'm looking at a mirror right here. Oh, and another thing is, I'll talk about Sephora in a second. I got this camera. Thanks to my mom for my birthday. She got me this camera, which is amazing, and which I'm in love with, because now, thanks to my mom, thank you, I can record my videos in a more professional camera than recording on the back of my damn phone. So that's a plus. Thanks, Mom, for that. And yeah, that was fun. What else happened last year? Oh yeah, like I said, so I traveled across the country. My brother moved out here. That was fun. I mean, I traveled before across the country, but this time I went through the Midwest. So that was fun. I got to do that. again, because last time when I moved out here to LA, it was through the South, and this time it was through the Midwest. But now, so that was fun and everything, and then just a lot of like lesson learns last year. Some things I gotta still fix, but I'm here and alive and I'm blessed, thank God. It could be worse, thanks to God. And I'm trying to also, like, for this year, which I'll talk about in a second, like, now that I have my new camera, it's going to be easier for me to record, especially because I have a monitor, the little one, and I can see myself as I talk to the camera, which is easier for me. But yeah, so after 8 years of being at Sephora, it's finally come to a close. You know what? At first I was gonna say a lot about it, but you know what? I mean, you know what? Sephora, I really, if it wasn't for them, and I'm very thankful for them, I've learned a lot. I have grown a lot as an artist, as a person that has worked with clients, and just all that jazz has definitely made a difference. Moving on forward in my life, and also learning about skincare and ingredients and all that kind of stuff, which I would have never have known had it not been for Sephora and all their great training. So that's a great plus. So, you know, that happened again. I mean, bittersweet, I guess. Sephora was a huge part of my life, and now it's just it's finished. That's it. I just, you know, and it happened right at the end of the year. Like, literally, it was a couple of days before Thanksgiving. I was coming out to Virginia to, you know, hang out with the family or whatever. And, well, the time came that the universe said, you know what, girl? Let it go. It was time. So I'm trying to put this blush. It looks so heavy right now, but honestly, it literally goes away. It goes away. I've been into blush lately. I get red, but not like cute red. But I've been into the whole blush thing lately, just applying it everywhere. So again, Sephora it closes for me in my life. This was a chapter. I've met amazing artists. I have met a lot of amazing people working there, and time to move on. You know, right now I've just been focusing on me the past month, over a month now. Just been focusing on me, doing me, and like coming into 2020 this year, I definitely have a lot of things I really want to accomplish within myself this year, just to like really just focus on me, some things I need to focus on. I'm going to be traveling again across country this year, which I will talk about soon in another video. I will be driving across country very soon, actually, very, very soon. And so I'm going to do my brows. And then I'm going to record that. That should be fun. You know? I think it should be fun. I'm gonna record that, you know, me driving across country. But that should be exciting. So I don't do much for my brows, y'all. I really don't. That's enough for me. I don't like doing my brows. So this year I'm gonna be definitely focusing on me, driving across country. There are things and goals that I want to accomplish. I don't want to really say them on here, like it's kind of tacky. Like people are like, oh, new year, new me. Bitch, no, like I'll show y'all as I progress and keep on going this year, like what has changed and what's gonna change, and things that I'll talk about maybe at the end of the year, like what really went down in 2020. I already know how it's gonna go down. And what I'm focusing on, just really focusing on 2 things this year. And I'm giving myself 3 things. One of them I can say is doing my YouTube channel. focusing more. I feel like this year it'll be a lot better for me to focus on it on my channel and be more into my videos than I was last year, because last year so much was happening, especially with work and just myself, and just a lot of these things have to change now in order for me to be more focused and doing what I should be doing. So now I'm doing my lashes. Oh, this thing broke. Dior. What? Formula is still there. It's a lash primer. This year, yeah. So it's just gonna be a lot of about focusing on things. But 2019, it was great. It was fun. But definitely 2020, I'm just excited for 3 things that I'm focusing on. I'll talk about it later on in the year. Y'all know, y'all gonna be like, I'll get real deep about that one. And then, yeah, kind of like, oh, I'm looking to do new things, new opportunities. You know, Sephora's gone, it's over with. Boom. Great opportunity. I've learned a lot. You know, if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have all these amazing free products that I've gotten from them throughout the years. But definitely, it's great memories. I've met a lot of amazing people, have made a lot of great friends throughout all those 8 years of being with the company. So I'm excited for what else is new to come for me, work-wise. So right now I'm just really focusing on me. And then tonight, right now I'm actually getting ready to go out with some friends and just really let loose and just have fun, you know. This is a little of my basic ass makeup. I don't like wearing a lot of makeup, but even this is a lot of makeup for me. Okay, good. This is like a lot of makeup for me. Like, I'm trying to keep this cute. I'm trying to keep this video cute. I'm just trying to update y'all on what's going on. So last year, you know, a lot of things, skeletons came through, which need to be cleaned up, which I'm doing. Sephora is boom, and I'm just excited for this year. Just, if one thing I'll say about moving on to 2020 is just, people say, oh, it's the past. Sometimes you gotta look back and remember where you come from. And I look back now and I'm like, you know, I have accomplished a lot of things and I'm very proud of myself the past 10 years. But there's still so much more to accomplish. And this year, again, I'm focusing on really getting to my accomplishments. And I'm just that's gonna be my kind of year. Like, accomplish things, get certain things completely finished and done this year. Like, I need to clean it all up this year. So by the end of the year, I'm like, it's all now past, behind me. So right now, my past is still on me right now, but it's not in a bad way. But, you know, just this year, I'm going to be focusing on cleaning that up. But yeah, so that's just a little update of what's been going on. Y'all saw me do my makeup. I'm about to go out right now and party it up. But definitely, please give me ideas underneath. I don't just want to be talking about, like, makeup and skincare. Like, I want to have fun videos. I will be making some fun videos in the next few weeks coming up. But for sure, just comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, so I just want to give y'all a little update of what's my life. And bitch, I'm still here. It's about to be popping, and a new adventure. It's still going to be such an adventure here. I already know a lot that's about to happen, that I'm going to just let y'all see it all go through and follow through this year. So thank y'all for watching for this lovely, kind of not really tutorial, but just see me talking. This is my makeup, my camera I'm obsessed with. Thank you, mom, again. 2019, well, I'll keep seeing you this year in 2020. So I love y'all and thank y'all for watching. So I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye, y'all.